We're going to be using a 3/4 inch wrench to remove your old muzzle brake. And you'll also want to replace the crush washer. We'll be putting on a King muzzle brake with a new crush washer. You do want to use a small amount of grease on your threads. Apply your crush washer and thread on your new muzzle brake. Once you feel it snug, you want to rotate it to where your flame logo is top dead center. And you want to step back and take a look. And that's how you install a King muzzle brake. The same operation works for our Queen muzzle brake 4556 and our DS300, which is a 30 cal brake.